how to fix Doordash payment error. So here I'm going to show you a few things that you can do. For the first thing, I suggest checking your payment information. So click on Me in the bottom right corner, then go into Settings, go into Payments, and make sure that your credit or debit card information, or whichever payment method you use, is correctly input. So check or double check all of your information. Now, if it's completely correct and it still doesn't work, what we can do is go into our phone settings. Here we will search for Offload Unused Apps and open up this first option. Find the Doordash application from this list. Click on it and then select Offload App. Click on Offload App and then immediately reinstall the application. This is going to keep your data. It's simply going to uninstall and reinstall the app itself. Now, another thing that we can do, the last solution that I suggest trying, is restarting your phone. So turn off your iPhone, wait for 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it back on, and hopefully this fixes the payment issue on Doordash for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.